Investors are present here today, and I'm sure they appreciate very much this opportunity to hear from you personally. We finally see a positive trend this year after a period of diminishing levels. But this trend will continue, not least because we as the Federal Economic Chamber encourage our companies to look into business. Now our country doesn't have open bilateral problems. That was the last one. And we have only pleasant atmosphere to work in favor of our citizens, not only in the reforms and integration, but also in economy, because everything finally it's for economy. You know, the citizens in every country expect a better quality of life, better economic conditions, and of course the government and the ministers are here to assist them. Because of that, for us it's very important to increase cooperation with Austria. Austria is one of the biggest investor in the country, and really there is very important companies who work in Macedonia, most of them decades now, and we hope that there is both sides pleasant momentum of this cooperation, and of course it's coming really better momentum for our country, better for the companies to make profit, and I believe really that will be win-win situation for the both countries. Of course, minimum what we can back really to increase the friendship, to show really pleasant atmosphere for the companies, for the citizens from Austria who are connected with our country, and of course to make it more pleasant conditions for future cooperation between both countries. I will not speak about all details connecting with our economic programs. We developed very good economic program, trying to increase our growth of economy. I will leave the floor to our Vice President to talk a little bit about that, because I want to use this opportunity, have you here, really to inform you about all details. Really there is a lot of interest from a lot of company from Austria, from Germany, from Italy, from everywhere, from Europe.